Hello, welcome back. Today we've got a pretty easy, straightforward job. I've got the brake hub off the little Yamaha. Yes, I know it needs a paint. I've got to sort that out, but while we're on lockdown, there's not really a lot we can do. And yeah, this is one of the things that I need to do. I've just been putting it off because I was hoping to be able to put it in with another video, but yeah. Okay, so these are a set of EBC brakes. High friction, linings, increased efficiency. These are brake shoes if anyone's curious, if you're any youngsters out there who've never seen brake shoes before. Pads are pretty common, but shoes are also around. Asbestos free motorcycle brake shoes. Includes the original style spring set. So let's get this box open and have a look inside, shall we? These things are much smaller than I remember. I've already put the springs on these things actually, so there you go. Normally it's all loose. So what I'm now going to try and do, get these on there. So I don't know if I can do it that way. I may need to use a screwdriver of some description. Maybe. I'm hoping I don't have to use any kind of tooling, but yeah, these springs are quite tough. So let's try and get these unhooked. Alright, that's one, that's two. Let's get these. See, I used to see people years ago and they would literally put one set on the other, hook them on and force them round. And I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do that today. I don't know. It's a while since I've fitted a set of shoes. Thing is, you've got the spring underneath there and underneath there, and on top of here it goes over. So yeah, I really don't remember the best way of doing this, unless it is to sort of like put it on one side and force it over. Let's try and hook it on. Oh, as it is. So hooks. These are strong hooks too. I do have a screwdriver here with me just in case I need to use it. Oh, come on. See, I didn't struggle like this before trying to get these to go together as a set without being on the bike or without being on here. So, if I remember, just trying to think, because yeah, that could be a possibility. No, it's not. Or is it? No. I don't know if this will work. Yeah, one spring's come off. Oh, that's partly on. And that spring has just jumped out. That one's not on properly either. Oh, come on. And the spring's come out completely. Okay. I have managed to get it on there. One caveat, that spring has come out. almost. Ooh. Yeah. I don't have a set of grips with me. Because I could grab hold of that and pull it up and into that space. Bear with me. Yeah, I just made a conscious decision to actually go and find me long nose pliers and me beefy pliers to try and get this reattached. Right. Well, oh my word! How, yeah, lovely, look at that. Wonderful, just ripped my finger skin. How nice. Right, after ripping my finger open, let's try something else, shall we? Okay, so let's try well, considering that we've got one end on, careful. This is like spring loaded, as you noticed before. So oh, get in there. Right, that spring's in there like that. And when they're together, it shouldn't be too difficult to put these springs on. Shouldn't be. I don't really want to damage the for God's sake. Ah, you bugger. Have I actually bent that? Wouldn't be surprised. Mind you, I can't have bent it when it tore through my finger. Right, so that's on there like that. Those two are on. Okay, so what's to stop me from pushing down on that one? Someone is bound to say to me, why are you doing it like that? There's an easy way of doing it. And for some stupid reason, I cannot remember, because I haven't done these in years. Jeez, the springs are serious tension. I mean, really, really tense and taut even. And you're probably saying, yes, you should put grease on here. I'm going to add it in a bit. Once I've done this, it would help if I actually had some. This is a really bad video. Really bad. I would do this in my shed if I actually had a bit of peace and quiet. Oh, hang on. Whoa! There, look at that. It's come off again. This does not want to go on. Ah, the joys of staying at home and not being able to go out. Why am I doing this? Torturing myself. There has to be a way I can get these on here. Am I being deliberately stupid by not, like, looking at the book or something? Right, okay, so I can get that on there, look. The spring is in, like that. So, that one goes down like that. There must be... Oh. Yay, finally, it's on. Ta-da! I can relax now. But at least I finally put them on. You know, so yeah, go me. Yeah. Okay, right, that's the end of this little ditty, if I can call it a ditty. How much time have I wasted of yours? Crikey, quite a few. Right, I am thinking of doing another live stream. If anyone out there is interested in watching, let me know. Yeah, we can laugh at my calamities. And yeah, let me know if you want to see a live stream, and I'll organise it, and yeah, I'll do like a premiere jobby so you can see when it's due to come up. Anyway, thanks for watching my craziness, and I'll see you in a following video of some description. Bye.